For the first time in Pakistan, introducing Toyota Smart Purchase. Now you can book your dream car anytime and from anywhere, utilizing our online payment system by simply following these easy steps. Visit www.toyotasmartpurchase.com and register yourself. You can register by providing your personal details such as your full name, CNIC, and by verifying your cell number and email through a one-time password. Once registered, your new password will be shared with you via SMS. Sign in by entering your CNIC and password. Select the model you are interested in and choose your preferred variant and color. You can also select the dealership based on your preferred city for your car to be delivered. Review your booking summary and the car's availability month on top and click Next. On the payment screen, view the payment summary. Choose the payment type, whether you would like to make a full or partial payment based on vehicle delivery month. Also, select your preferred payment option, whether you wish to pay online or through bank counter with a deposit slip. Read the terms and conditions and click on the checkbox to agree and then press Next. Lastly, review your booking details and confirm your order. Make the payment online through internet banking or over-the-counter payment option on the consumer number shared via email, and that's it. You have to visit the dealership only once to receive your car. Purchasing a new car has never been this easier.